discuss in English. So your standard 4 subject English. But student, today I will discuss unseen passage. So sometimes in question paper one paragraph is given and paragraph below some questions are given. But some student do not properly write answer and do not properly find answer. So student, how to find and how to write unseen passage, question answer from unseen passage. So I will discuss this point today. So student, let's start this unseen passage writing here. Our point name. Read the here and my mistake is given. Read the passage and answer the questions given below. Read the passage. First student, read properly and carefully. After read questions, given questions, then find correct answer. So first I will read paragraph. Here small paragraph based on your class 4. At the sun set, Ram and Lakshman come in a chariot with Vanasena. Ram shoots arrows at the effigies. The effigies catch fire and burn to ashes. Fireworks and crackers explode in the air. People in some areas of Rajasthan go to greet each other. Daseras. Here by spelling mistake, Dussehras. Dasera. Dasera is here space. Dasera is a symbol of victory of good over evil. Here paragraph from Ramayana part. You have listened this Ramayana story. Ram and Lakshman with fought Ravan. Okay. So here one paragraph is given from Ramayana. Here Ram and Lakshman, both brothers, came in chariot with Vanasena, means Hanumanji. Other Vanasena. Ram shoots arrow at the effigies. Ram used their weapon arrows. The effigies catch fire. Effigies means arrow catch fire and burn to ashes. Burn to ashes. Ashes means rock. Fireworks and crackers explode in the air. Sometimes we celebrate Dussehra. So we make Ravan, statue of Ravan is crackers and fireworks. So explodes in the air. People in some areas of Rajasthan go to greet each other. Dussehra is a symbol of victory of good over evil. Here victory of good over evil. बुराई पे अच्छाई की जीत. Okay student, so first read carefully this paragraph and write in your notebook this 4 or 5 lines. Student, then answer the following questions. Yeah, answer the following questions. But student, I will discuss question with answer. One by one, I will discuss question with answer. This passage is about dash. Here passage about. So one chariot, B Vanasena, C effigies, D Dussehra. So here correct answer Dussehra. This passage is about Dasera. Okay. Now question number 2. How did Ram and Lakshman come? Ram and Lakshman come. So answer here, Ram and Lakshman come in a chariot with Vanasena. But here question, Ram and Lakshman come. How did? So Ram and Lakshman come in a chariot. Say student, answer. Ram and Lakshman come in a chariot. Number 3. Who comes with Ram and Lakshman? Who comes? Student. So again we go to on passage. Ram and Lakshman come in a chariot with Vanasena. So answer only Vanasena. Who comes with Ram and Lakshman? Vanasena comes with Ram and Lakshman. Who shoots the effigies? Effigies. Who shoots? Ram shoots the effigies. Say student. Ram shoots arrow at the effigies. But write only Ram shoots the effigies. Number 5. What happens after shooting the arrow? So answer is given here below. After shooting the arrows, the effigies catch the fire and burn to ashes. Fireworks and crackers explode in the air. What happens after shooting the arrows? So again we go to passage. The effigies, shooting effigies catch fire and burn to ashes. Fireworks and crackers explode in the air. Now question number 6. What do people do in some areas of Rajasthan on Dasera? So people in some area of Rajasthan go to greet each other on Dasera. Greet. Happy, joyfully. People in some areas, your spelling mistake, A-R-E-A-S, okay? Areas of Rajasthan go to greet each other on Dasera. Number 7. What is Dasera a symbol of? Dasera symbol of? Dasera is symbol of victory of good over evil. Dasera is a symbol of victory of good over evil. So student, all questions write in your notebook. First question, first, second, third and fourth, write in your notebook. Here answer number 5, 6 and 7. Write in your notebook. Then student, unseen passage number 1. Then I will discuss another one example, unseen passage 2. First student, I will read passage. Pranayam is control and extension of the breath. Here pranayam means exercise. This unseen passage based on pranayam. Pranayam is control and extension of the breath. By practicing it, we can reduce our breathing rate. Reduced breathing rate has a lot of benefits. It slows down heart rate, reduces blood pressure and relaxes body and mind. Pranayam increases our life expectancy. Pranayam should be done on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. You can also do it in the evening, but there should be a gap of 4 hours after the last meal. Okay, so this unseen passage is based on pranayama, means exercise. So student, here exercise by practicing our body control and extension of the breath. Respiration. Respiration means inhale, exhale. Okay. Reduced breathing rate has a lot of benefits. Your respiration's benefits has a lot of benefits. It slows down heart rate, heart problem, reduce blood pressure. Our BP means blood pressure, and relaxes body and mind. Exercise. By exercise, our relaxes the body and mind. Pranayama increases our life expectancy. Our life expectancy increases. Okay. Pranayama should be done on an empty stomach. Pranayama means exercise, yoga. Okay. So should be done on an empty stomach without take meal, preferably in the morning. Okay. You can also do it in the evening, but one condition here, there should be a gap of 4 hours after the last meal. Okay, student. So first, write in your notebook paragraph. Student, after passage, I will discuss questions with answers. So answer the following questions. The passage is about pranayama, yoga, sport and games. So your correct answer pranayama, because the passage is about only pranayama. Then question number 2. What is pranayama? So here given answer, pranayama is control and extension of the breath. Pranayama is control and extension of the breath. Number 3. What is the benefits of practicing pranayama? So reduced breathing rate has a lot of benefits. It shows down heart rate, reduces blood pressure and relaxes body and mind. Given passage, reduce the breathing has lot of benefits. It shows down heart rate, reduces blood pressure and relaxes our body and mind. Next question. What does pranayama increases? So our life expectancy. Pranayama increases our life expectancy. So given in paragraph, pranayama increases our life expectancy. Now next question. How should pranayama be done? So pranayama should be done on an empty stomach. Pranayama should be done on empty stomach. So last question, when should we do pranayama? When should we do pranayama? We should do pranayama preferably in the morning. Important, in the morning. We can also do it in the evening, but there should be a gap of 4 hours after the last meal. So mostly people do pranayama in the morning. So student, write passage after question number 1 with answer, 2 with answer. Write it. Write also student question number 3 answer, 4 with answer, 5 with answer and 6 with answer. So student, here I explained today two unseen passage. Number 1 from Ramayana part, okay, then with questions and how to find question answer. Then number 2 pranayam, importance of pranayam. So how to find how to find question answer from passage. Okay student, so I will send also two type. Number 1 Ramayana and pranayam unseen passage. I hope do complete homework from your English notebook and read again two unseen passage from this video.